is not so far from our house. But oh my god, it's so hot. I can bring my umbrella because I don't have umbrella. But it's okay. So I am finally here in Matinao Elementary School. This is the way going inside to the school, so we can go to the inside school now. This is our school. This school, it has a small term of space, but it has built a classroom from daycare to grade 6. So this is the full views of our school. This is the principal's office. This is a classroom from daycare to grade 5. Sa classroom of grade 6, Center of the Trees. This school is small but so memorable because here are the first time we learn how to write and how to draw because the teach of our beautiful and handsome teacher. And this school is so very memorable, like fun with friends or classmates. And this school I graduated in grade 6 last 2017.